Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cellular. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So popular journalist Redi Thlabi has received a negative hate and backlashes on Twitter for once being friends or knowing the notorious Dr Nandipha Questioned. Redi had to explain that she met Nandipha through her ex-husband who had introduced her to their circle of friends, you guys. So Redi took to Twitter and responded to Tweeps in a series of tweets. This is what she had to say. Twitter: Redi, she is your friend. Why are you quiet? You know something. Then you give the information they want. Then they say, why are you explaining? It means you are guilty of something. And then she further went on and wrote, oh, Pella, when her now ex-husband introduced her to the circle of friends, we should have all said no, not pleased to meet you because in 10 years you will be running off with a bester. I mean, why didn't I see that in 2013? I mean, and people digging up old pictures like we should have all known that years later she'd be smuggling a serial rapist out of jail. We should have read it in her eyes, wrote Redi Thlabi. Now there you have it guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. We'll definitely catch you on my next upload. Bye.